Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create a custom voice in ElevenLabs. So first things first guys, you'll need to go ahead with your favorite browser and then just tap or select the search bar and go with ElevenLabs.io or IO website. And then just sign in with your account, and here we go. So right now, after signing in, I do really want you to go and click on the voices on the left hand menu, okay, and that's to create a voice. Okay, so go ahead, click it, and then go with that plus icon here, or go with create a voice option and blue color at the top right corner of the page. So just click that one, and right here it's the add a new voice option. Okay, so right now you can go with voice design, instant voice clone, professional voice clone. So you will need the subscription, or you will need to have the subscription to go with these two. Okay, and the voice design is the choice on that video. So you only just to click that one, and then just type your prompt right here. Okay, so for example anything, all right, and then go with generate voice. Okay, so you all need to first to choose the voices right here that you want to generate. Okay, and yeah, so that's it. Okay, this is the first voice, this is the second one, this is the third one. Okay, and you actually can adjust it just from here. So for example I will go with the British SEO, for example, and you can go with the settings, click on the settings in here where you can generate the loudness and the guidance scale. Okay, and once you're finished, just pick the voice that you want, and then go with select voice, and after that you will need to choose a name and style. Okay, so enter a name for your custom voice, and optionally pick a voice style or tone if prompted. Okay, so okay, we can go with the volume. We'll go for example with Arabic, and this is the description. You can set your own description, and then just go with save voice, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.